Hello there, welcome to the weekly Forex market update and forecast. In this video, I'll be looking at the AUDUSD, NZDUSD, EURJPY, and the AUDCAD currency pairs. So, I'll be analyzing and predicting what I would expect from these currency pairs. Now, but before I go into that, I'd like to let you know that I give free Forex signals. Yes, I give free Forex signals. The premium Forex signal service is free, totally free, and you can get it on the Mike Earn channel. The Mike Earn channel, you can get into the Mike Earn channel on Telegram and get these signals. The Mike Earn Telegram channel is open and it is free. Yes, it is free. So you can go to the description below this video and copy the link to the Mike Earn Telegram channel. I believe the title of the channel is Mike Earn Free Channel. So copy the link to the Mike Earn Telegram channel in the description below, paste it in your browser, and visit the site or load the link, and it will take you to the Telegram channel. One thing I want you to know is that I'm doing this to help. I'm doing this to help, and this is really going to help you. It's going to help you make a whole lot of money. So you can join the channel and expect the signals. The link, once again, is in the description below. Go to the description below this video. Copy the link to the Mike Earn channel, the Mike Earn Free channel. Copy the link. It's in the description below. Paste it in your browser. Visit the site or load the link, and you can join the Telegram channel. It will take you to the Telegram channel and you can join. You're going to make a whole lot of money following these Forex signals that I give. A whole lot of money. And once again, I just want to let you know that I'm doing this to help, and this is an opportunity for you to make a lot of money. This is an opportunity for you to make huge money and to be massively profitable trading the Forex market, following the signals that will be coming up on the Mike Earn Free channel. Yeah, so please don't forget that and don't miss out on that. So go ahead and join the channel. Thanks for listening to that. So let's get into the business of the day. We're starting with the AUDUSD. Now, what's up with the AUDUSD? Let's zoom out a little, but let's go to the monthly first. What's happening here? We've seen some level of bearish movement, right, over the months. We've seen some level of bearish movement over the years, right, from this. We can see that from here, right? So now, but what's going to happen going forward is the question, right? What's going to happen going forward? Now we see it has not broken above this high over here. It has not broken above this high over here just yet. So what should we expect? Let's go down to the weekly time frame and see for ourselves. Weekly time frame. Okay, this is a weekly time frame. I don't think this has loaded. I don't think this candle has fully loaded. I don't know why it's taking time to load. I don't know why it's taking time, but I'm going to move on. So this is the weekly time frame. Oh, I think it has actually loaded. So this is a weekly time frame. I think the market closed with a pin bar, and yeah, we still have this situation where the market broke below these lows right here, and it's still below this high over here. I hope you can see the high I'm talking about. I'm talking about this high, this one right here. Let me use this tool. This high over here. So the market is still below it. So now, is the market looking for an opportunity to sell, or is the market going to sell off? That's one question that that's a possibility rather, right? The possibility that the market might actually sell off or not. So what will be my prediction? This will be my predictions, right? If price continues downwards and then it comes into this 0.64559 zone and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a buy, right? And I'll suggest that you go for a one-to-one buy. You can go for a one-to-one buy in this scenario. I hope you understand. One-to-one RR buy and end it there. Now we're using the daily time frame for our execution. Yeah, the daily time frame is the execution time frame in case you didn't know that, in case you are new to this channel. Now for another scenario, if price goes up and comes into the zone, which is the 0.67922 zone, and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I suggest that you sell, right? I suggest that you sell, and you can go for a one-to-one RR sell or a 1-to-2. Now in this scenario, I would have suggested that you can go for a one-to-one. You can go for more than a one-to-one or hold it indefinitely. But in this scenario, I'm skeptical about that. So I take back that 1-to-2 RR that I said earlier. I'll just suggest that you go for a one-to-one and leave it at that. Just go for a one-to-one and leave it at that. I hope you understand that. Just go for a one-to-one in this situation. If price comes into the zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you only go for a one-to-one RR in this situation, right? And that is using the bearish day close candle as the entry candle. I hope you know that. So if you need more explanation on how that works, let me know. That's just to let you know that the close of the bearish candle will be your entry, right? And the high will be your stop loss. I hope you understand that. So you sell to you get that one-to-one RR, right? But there are other entry techniques that I personally use. There's another entry technique that I personally use just to minimize risk or to have like a less aggressive entry. Now, so that is for USD. So the next one is the NZDUSD. Yes, NZDUSD. So now let's take a look at what is happening in the NZDUSD. Let's zoom out and see what's happening here. Let's go to the monthly time frame first. So we can see the market has been selling off for some time, right? We can see the market has been selling off for some time. So is it going to drop? Is it going to continue this bearish momentum or this bearish move that we can see? Well, we will find out. So now let's see. This is the weekly. The same thing is happening on the weekly. Let's go down to the daily time frame. So what's happening on the daily? Now for the daily, this is what I would expect, right? Or this is what I would look out for. If price comes into the zone, this 0.55789 zone, and then gives us a bullish day close above this zone, I'll suggest that you go for a buy, right? I'll suggest that you go for a buy, and I'll suggest that you don't go for more than a one-to-one RR buy. Yes, just one-to-one RR, and end it there. Right now, in the situation where you're taking a buy using the bullish day close, the close of the candle is your entry, the low of the candle will be your stop loss, and then you buy till it gets to one-to-one RR. I hope you understand that. Yeah, so if you have more questions, please let me know on that particular please let me know. You can put it in the comment below this video. And yeah, like I said, I have a less aggressive entry that I use, but I don't think I can easily explain that right now. So but maybe that will be for another day. Let's continue. So in another situation or in another scenario, if we see price push high and come into the 0.58676 zone and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I suggest that you go for a sell, right? I suggest that you can go for a one-to-one sell, or you can go for a one-to-one RR sell, You can go for a 1 to 2 hour sell, or you can even hold indefinitely, or you can hold till it comes into this 0.5716 zone, or you can hold indefinitely to see if price will continue downwards. You can hold indefinitely to see how far price will go. But if you are going for more than a 1 to 1 RR, I suggest and I strongly advise that you throw your stop loss or stop losses, so that you do not, so that in case market reverses against you, you do not you know, maybe you do not lose out on all the potential profits that you could have made. I hope you understand that. So that's for that situation and that scenario for NZDUSD. So the next one is EURJPY, right? EURJPY. So now let's see what's happening with EURJPY. Let's go to the monthly time frame. EURJPY has been very bullish. You can see that from here. You can see how bullish it has been. Now, so what should we expect? Now let's go down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is telling us the same thing. Very bullish market. So now what are we going to expect? Well, this is what I'm going to expect. If price comes down, if price comes into this 175.336 zone and then gives a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a buy. Right, I'll suggest that you go for a buy, and I'll suggest that you go for a 1 to 1 RR buy, or a 1 to 2 RR buy, or a 1 to 3 RR buy. I hope you understand that. But if you're going for more than a 1 to 1 RR buy, I suggest that you throw your stop loss or stop losses, so that if the market reverses against you, you do not lose out on too much of the potential profits that you could have made. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. Yeah, so that is what I'm talking about. But that's what I'm seeing on the EURJPY currency pair. And because we don't have any like resistance to look forward to for now on this chart of the EURJPY, so I won't be looking at a bearish scenario, right? I hope you understand what I'm talking about. So let's move to AUD card. So now for AUD card, what should we expect? Let's look at the monthly time frame first. AUD card, what am I going to call this? Will I say this is bearish or bullish or ranging? Well, I think it's closer to ranging for now. I'm looking at it from this area, maybe from this point, yeah. So I think it has been quite ranging. It has been quite a ranging market from this area. You know, it has been moving in that. So now, what should we look out for? Let's go to the daily time frame and see what the daily time frame has for us. So now, this is what I would suggest. This is what I would predict with the Euro card currency pair. Now, with Euro card, if we see price come into the zone, this 0.93745 zone, and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, right? I'll suggest that you go for a sell. And I'll suggest that you go for a 1 to 1 RR sell and leave it there. Just end it at the 1 to 1 RR sell. Don't go for more than that. I hope you understand that. Don't go for more than that. 1 to 1 RR sell, and that's it. In that scenario. Now, for another scenario, let's take this out first. For another scenario, if price comes down, now I wanted to mention something. If price does not come straight, if price takes too long to come into this zone that I spoke about just now, don't get involved, right? Don't get involved. If price stalls and maybe goes sideways for a long time before coming into that zone, don't look at it, or don't approach the market with the analysis or prediction I just made. That prediction I just made is if price comes into the zone, like maybe in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, trading days, and it's a direct move up, not like it's just went sideways and then finally got up. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. So in another scenario, if price, looking at another scenario, if price comes into this area, this 0.91391 zone, and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a buy. And I'll suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 RR buy. 1-to-1 RR in both scenarios. 1-to-1 RR in both scenarios, and leave it that way. I hope you understand that. Leave it that way. 1-to-1 RR in both scenarios. So that's what I'll be predicting. So that is that for the weekly forex market forecast of the AUDUSD, NZDUSD, EURJPY, and the AUDCAD currency pairs. So now, before we go, I'd like to remind you that I give free signals. Yes, I give free signals. The premium forex signal service is free. Yes, it's free. To get these free signals that I give, you can join the Mike Earn channel, and the link to the Mike Earn free channel is in the description below. It's a free channel where it's open to all. So, and the signals are free, so you can go to the description below this video, copy the link to the Mike Earn free channel, paste it in your browser, and visit the site, and or load the link, and it will take you to the Mike Earn channel on Telegram, and you can join the channel and expect signals. Once again, the link to this Mike Earn channel, the link to the Mike Earn channel is in the description below. Go to the link, copy the link, paste it in your browser, visit the site or load the link, and it will take you to the Mike Earn Telegram channel, and you can join the channel and expect the signals. The signals that I give are very profitable, and I do it to help. I hope you understand that I do it to help people. So please go ahead and do that. And one thing you can be sure of is that you will make a whole lot of money from following the signals that I give. You will make a whole lot of money following the signals that I give. This is not a bluff. This is a matter of fact. So don't miss out on this. This is a very huge opportunity that you don't want to miss out on. Please and please, I plead with you to not miss out on this. This is here to help you. This is here to help you make a whole lot of money. This is here to help you make a whole lot of money from the forex market. So go ahead, join the Mike Earn Telegram channel and expect the signals that I give. The signals are free. I hope you understand that they are free, very free. So join the channel, get the free signals, and make money. Make a lot of money. Yes, with the forex market, or from the forex market with the signals that I give. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can go ahead and like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.